Hello everyone, my name is Jason, and welcome to your Word of the Day video brought to you by MainStreetEnglish.com. In this Word of the Day video, let's define and use the adjective physical. Physical. Physical is a fairly common adjective and has multiple uses and meanings. In this video, we are going to go over one of the meanings of physical, and that is to describe something of the body, not the mind. Let's practice using physical in a few sentences. The program is designed to address both physical and mental health. He had an unusual physical appearance. Cleaning up the campus garden was tiring. Physical work. Try to find opportunities to use the word physical in your everyday English usage. My name is Jason from MainStreetEnglish.com. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to receive notifications about new English video lessons created by Main Street English. Thank you and see you next time.